Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Cloudflare WAF rules and firewall settings, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Cloudflare account. From the dashboard, select the domain you wish to manage. Navigate to the Firewall section in the left sidebar. Click on WAF or Web Application Firewall. Locate the Manage Rules option and select it. You will see a list of existing WAF rules. Identify the rules you want to restore. Take note of any disabled rules you plan to reactivate. Select the checkbox next to each rule you want to restore. Click on the Edit button, usually located at the top of the list. In the Edit options, change the status from Disabled to Enabled. Review any specific settings or configurations for each rule. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click Save. Next, go back to the main Firewall settings menu. Select Firewall rules from the options available. Here, you'll also see a list of existing firewall rules. Identify any firewall rules that need restoring. Click the checkbox next to each firewall rule you want to activate. Click on the Edit button as you did for WAF rules. Change the status from Disabled to Enabled for each rule. Make sure to review the conditions and actions for each rule. Click Save once you are done with the edits. Now, confirm that your changes have been applied successfully. You can do this by checking the status of the rules in the list. Monitor your website to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Ensure that logs and analytics are checked for any unusual activity. Congratulations, your Cloudflare WAF rules and firewall settings have been successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.